A little disclaimer before I start talking about my active income sources is that none of these sources have been made overnight, and most of that sources that I'm going to talk about have included years and years of experience and will require you, not all of them, but some kind of helping hand or experience in your pocket or some kind of learning. And in no way I'm trying to tell you that you can do it overnight, so please be careful of that. And my motive of making this video wherein I talk about ways to make money does not intend to, sort of con you or make fake videos telling that this can make you money overnight. Everything involves fair amount of hard work and fair years of experience and knowledge to make that kind of money. Hi everyone, my name is Twinkle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking up a very different topic which is related to money, in short, finance and investments. Yes, it has been a very long time that I've wanted to introduce finance, investments and earning ways, and just to tackle your finances in a better way, things like that, and topics over that, because I myself am very actively interested in financial decisions and I do a lot of investments myself. Therefore, what better than talking about my own active income sources as the first official video while I introduce the topic of finance, the niche of finance and investment into my channel. Yes, with that said, let's get into the first ever video of which talks about finance and investment on my channel, which is how I actively make income or how I actively earn the ways that I earn money in 2021. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Let's talk about the first way that helps me generate income, which is consulting and coaching. So as you all know that I have my own website now launched, and I do a lot of one-on-one private sessions on topics like mock interviews, corporate trainings, aviation crewing, a resume, CV, and then there is interview coaching, interview training, things like that. It definitely includes a lot of experience and my passion for teaching. So you all know that I've been doing this, and definitely that gives me a fair amount of money for the kind of service I've provided. I put a lot of hard work and a lot of knowledge, and I sit down and I'm preparing courses, and I've actually written down material. I've made it myself so that the knowledge that I impart to you guys is actually certified and actually makes sense and give you quality information. If any of you is also interested in knowing the kind of services I provide, apart from consulting and training and teaching, and if you want to get a personalized consultation session done for you, you can either email me here or you can also visit my website. I will leave the link in the description box so you can just visit and check it out for yourself. The second most important source of my income is stocks. Yes, I have been actively participating in stock market from a very long time, but my initial investments were passive because that was done by my family. Like I used to, of course, save money consciously and then include that money in a few of my investments. And when I of course resigned, and it's been like 6 or 7 months that I've actively on a daily basis started started dealing and trading, like intraday trading. I have been doing that, and let me tell you, it does make a fair amount of money, but it also depends on the kind of money that you have put in. You can start from as low as 1000 rupees to as much as lakhs or whatever you might feel like that you have in your hand to put into stocks. But all of this requires a fair amount of study as well. The income that comes from here is not totally active because you can't really rely on this income. Yes, it does come because my investment in this sector is pretty fair, pretty decent. Therefore, I do make a fair amount of money from stocks on an everyday basis. But if the market has crashed and it's really going low, then you can't really do anything about it. You have to be patient. So as I said, you can't only rely on the stock market for your active income. If any of you is interested to know how to start as a beginner and how to actually go about the investment and what platforms and how should you start about stock market, there are various apps like Upstocks, Zerodha. Don't worry, this video is not sponsored at all, though I would love myself to get sponsored. So Upstocks, Zerodha, if any of other stock market companies is listening to me, please go ahead and approach me, because this is what I'm actively interested in and I actually do it as well. It is pretty easy. You can take any of the apps and you can actually start doing it in a day or two. Let me know if you're interested to know what things do you need to keep in mind to actively participate in stock market and make profits. Comment below and let me know if any of you is actively doing it right now, any of you, and what stocks are you interested in. The next income source that I'm going to talk about is something that I've been doing it for years now, and I'm also passionate about it, and now I've got myself certified to do it full time. But I am currently doing it as a freelance option. Yes, I am a certified makeup artist as well, so I do actively participate in taking online as well as offline classes, which definitely attract some kind of income. I actively participate in taking events, shoots, and also clients as per the time permits to me. But because of the pandemic being there for the past year, I've been doing actively a lot of online classes. I'm basically interested in imparting education, and also I've mixed that experience to help who are going to join aviation and in the corporate world. So that is also one of the service that I provide. If you're interested in doing that, you can also check out that in my website, the details for that, or you can also contact me through an email. If you live in Delhi or Gurgaon, you can definitely come in for an offline class as well. I have actually started taking that now since Corona has subsided eventually. So yes, that is also another source of income that actively generates me some kind of money. The next income source that definitely is very, very evident is YouTube. Yes, so making videos for YouTube does give me a fair amount of money because you guys are consuming the content that I make. There are a certain number of views that I get on this channel, and because my channel is monetized and it is growing, there are brands, there are sponsors who approach me, there are individuals, there are third-party companies that approach me apart from the YouTube. Yes, YouTube does give you a fair amount of money, not a lot that it can change your life, but that amount is decent amount. If you want to know the kind of money that I make from YouTube, please put it down in the comment section below that you want to know how much money do I make from YouTube, and I will make a video about it. So please put it down in the comment section below. And apart from the income that we do make from advertisements, that kind of money, apart from that, we also have brands and different aviation companies and other individuals approaching us to either promote their product or talk about them or actively be a part of their organization and work for them. So I do teach. There are a few platforms that I do make videos for, do teach actively as well. So that also gives me some fair amount of money. That is also one of the source of income that I have. The next source of income that I'm going to talk about is comparatively new because I have been learning about this from some time now, because this industry has been at boom, and I would want to learn anything and everything that helps me in my business, because I also have a lot of social media presence in the form of my website, also my channels, and also on Instagram, and I do I do have a fair business on social media, so I need to definitely get into digital marketing. So I am actively learning things in digital marketing, like how to make fake Facebook ads, how to get about the strategy, and how to manage social media. So there are a few businesses that has approached me through YouTube to promote their channel, and I have myself partnered with a few communities, a few partners, and outsourced business management. Yes, I do work as a business manager for a few social media handles and a few brands, though I do outsource some of the work as well, like content writing and videography, etc. I am also actively a part of a team. I do have a team for myself, so I do manage a few brands and business as well as a part of my journey in learning social media marketing and digital marketing, which will eventually help me in my business. And also I take some Indian clients for now, and I am hoping to get some international clients in future, which is also going to work as a backup plan, because I always have to have so many, like not just one or two, but a few sources of income always. And I always tell you guys that you should have more than one or two sources of income. The last source that I'm going to talk about is investments. Yes, so investments, this source of income fairly depends on you as an individual, because I have been working since the age of 18, and which is like so many years, over 10 or 12 years for now. So now you know my age. Yes, so because of that, there has been a good amount of investment, a good amount of saving that I did, and it is always good to make money from money, which is my belief. So I have been saving and actively investing my money in things like mutual funds, fixed deposits, LICs. Now it totally depends on the kind of investment you're doing, that the money that you're going to invest as well as the return that you're going to get out of that investment is coming to you in a lump sum after a fixed period of time, or it is coming to you regularly every month. Like there are some fixed deposits wherein you need to put in money once in a go, or there are some recurring deposits that you can put your money regularly depending upon how much your income is and how much are you ready to spare, to save, to put in that kind of investment. So yes, I do have a few fair investments like post office investments, like FDs, like mutual funds, of course stocks is there. And apart from that, I do have a few bucks coming in as a rent from a property that I have purchased, of course from the money that I saved. If you want to know, if you want me to make a video on how I bought a house and how I purchased my first property, then comment below and let me know, and I will try to make a video and share with you the strategies of saving money from day one, so that you can also buy yourself a decent apartment, so that if you're not living in it, you can rent it out as well, and it definitely becomes a source of income until if you want to sell it off for a business later on, it is definitely giving you some amount, in fact a good amount of money. So these were the 7 ways that I am currently making money or earning income in 2021. I hope that this video has helped you with the kind of information that I have provided you. I hope some of you will use these ways, or if any of you is actually having these ways as their way of earning income, then also put it down in the comment section below. I'll be reading all your comments. Also let me know what kind of other investment, finance or money related videos would you like to see in future on my channel. If you are still not following me on my Instagram, I will leave the handle here. Go ahead, follow the handle, like this video, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe the channel. Do not forget to press the bell notification so that you don't miss any other new videos on my channel. With that said, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.